Hey everyone, this is Payson with Steel Dog, and today we're going to be talking about the SideBar extension bracket. These brackets come in two sizes, one for 1.5" lumber and one for 3/4 inch plywood. And the purpose of the brackets is to extend your form using inexpensive lumber or plywood. The brackets themselves latch on to the rail of the panel. They don't require any extra hardware to install. You simply tilt it on and then tilt it back. And then you can come and place your lumber and screw and fasten the lumber right to the bracket. Once the lumber is installed, this is really firmly in place on your forms. And the beauty of these is they're substantial enough that they don't require a tie on top. At least for lumber up to say 8 inches or 10 inches tall, you don't actually need to tie the top of your forms. If you get up to a 2x12, you are probably going to want to run some sort of a strap along the top just to keep them from splaying out. Now the other great thing about the 3/4 inch version of this bracket is that it can actually be flipped on its side and used to make up a job built filler. So I'll show you that real quick. This can be done in place of filler angle, which is sort of the standard way to make up a custom filler. The problem with filler angle is, one, it gets bent out of shape all the time, and two, you often end up cutting filler angle down to the size you need, and then you end up with all different sizes of this angle that you're trying to piecemeal together. These brackets are just a standard piece of hardware that you can use to make up any height filler angle. Really, really handy. They work the exact same way. You just latch it onto the side there. Again, for this purpose, it is handy to use the wedge bolt just to hold it in place. And then you're gonna go along and screw this thing right in place there. So when using the SideBar for a job belt filler, you're gonna wanna fasten the left and the right hand side brackets before you install the lumber. And the reason for that is you just need clearance to be able to latch the bracket on. The other great advantage with that is you've got room for pass-throughs. So you can do a really narrow filler with the SideBars and still have room to say run rebar or a sewer pipe through the plywood. In terms of spacing of the clips, when they're used on the top of a wall for a form extension, we recommend 1 clip per 2-foot panel. And then if they're used in the job belt application, we say 1 clip every foot. So those are SideBar extension clips by Steel Dog. If you need more information, you can check out our website at steel-dog.com.